on deck, John and Compass. John and Compass is on deck, and Elementality on deck. I got Sons of El-Oh-Heem to my left, and fire-breathing rubber duckies. Is that like a Pokemon or something? Take them off, let's go! Rubber duckies, you going first! Fire-breathing rubber duckies. Y'all going first. Eureka! Let's go! Breathing rubber duckies. Sons of El-Oh-Heem. Let's go. Elementality. That was a lot of fire from those rubber duckies. John and Compass and Elementality. Elementality. Oh, we got an update. This just in. Elementality is now Warfare of its